Welcome to the Magnetism video lab activity. If you have not completed the pre-lab questions, pause the video now and complete those first. When you're ready, start the video again. Let's jump in with our first demonstration. Here we go. What in the world total serial has to do with magnets? Well, let's find out. Let's take a look at the nutritional facts on the side of the box. And as we scroll down here, what do we see? Iron. We know that iron is a metal, and we also know that metals are attracted to a magnet. So, are you eating metal? And how do we know that the iron is actually in the cereal? Well, that's what our activity is about today. We're going to find out. In this lab activity, we are going to try and extract iron from the cereal. I have 2 Ziploc bags. I have a beaker with approximately 100 milliliters of total cereal. Over here I have water, approximately 250 milliliters of water. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to empty that cereal into a bag, and I'm going to make sure it's zip tight. Move some stuff out of the way here, and I'm going to crush it. I'm going to crush it up as small as I can get it. If you attempt to do this at home, do not pound on the bag, or you will have a nice, giant, cereal crumbly mess. All right. I think I got it crumbled pretty good. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to empty it into my second bag. And now I'm going to add my water to the bag. And again, I'm going to make sure it's sealed nice and tight. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of hold it at an angle like this, and I'm just going to sit and squish this cereal for a little bit. Mush it up pretty good. Now that I got my cereal nice and squishy, and if you're doing this at home, I'd say, at least 8 to 10 minutes, get it nice and mushy-gushy. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my magnet, and I'm just going to kind of work in a circular motion right here. And you may have to be a little patient. Try not to slosh your cereal around. I'm just going to work it in a circular motion. So that iron's got a little ways to travel through the liquid in the cereal. Let's see if I got anything yet. Oh, yes I do. I hope you can see it. Little black, looks like little pencil shavings right there. Let's see if I can get a lot more. See if I can get a big blob. Alright, so I still got my circular pattern going. Let's see here. if you can see them or not. But see that dark blob right there? That is iron. Let's see if I can get it up here on the bag. There you go. Now you might be able to see it a little better. See that black blob? That's iron. The longer you do it, the bigger the blob you might get. Pause the video and complete the Demo 1 set of questions on your lab report. When you're ready, start the video again. Demonstration number 2 is going to be a little different. I'm going to add some iron fillings to a gel-like substance, and then we're going to see how it behaves. But first, you need to pause the video and complete the prediction under Demo 2 on your lab report before continuing on with the video. When you're ready, start the video again. All right, here we go. So I'm pulling the gel-like substance out of its container, and it is really gelled, as you can see here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to flatten it out like a pancake, as flat as I can get it. Now I'm going to take the iron fillings in this container, and I'm going to just start to sprinkle it around all over the gel-like substance. I'm going to spread it kind of nice and thick. Next step is I'm going to carefully start to roll it up like a little jelly roll and get all those iron fillings mixed up nice and good inside the gel. Now it's time for our magnet. I have a strong magnet inside this container, so I'm going to take it out and let's observe and see what happens. And now it's time to finish your lab report. Good luck.